now. I know it's difficult, but please. Did you get it? Thank you. Oh yeah, here. Open your mouth. Open, please. One more, please. Oh, please now. You'll be fine. You'll be okay. Rest. What am I going to do? Get me my phone. Get me my phone. Get me my phone. It's all right there.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. It's me, sir. Please, it's Dora again. No, Dora has started again. I don't know what to do. She has started again.
What happened?
It's Dora. She has started again.
Wasn't she with her inhaler?
I've given her, but no improvement. Please help me, sir.
Okay, just hold on. I'll be there soon. I'm coming.
I don't know what to do. It's all right, sir. Please, quickly.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Is that Mama?
Yes, where's my car key?
It's in the bedroom.
Said her daughter had an attack.
Why? But not again. It was so them at the fellowship this morning.
Yes.
Dora, it's okay. You'll be fine. You hear? Do I give her one? But they said only 3. If we give her overdose, what am I going to do now? You'll be fine. But fan. That's enough. Fan. Dora, please. Let it go down now. What am I going to do again now? Uncle Niyi is here. Oh, yeah. Hurry up. Hey. Uncle Niyi. Oh, God will bless you. Thank you. Help me move her in. Oh, yeah, go and enter. Listen, Modu. How is it?
Okay.
Not too high. Okay, thank you.
How are you, nurse? Okay. Wow. Good afternoon, ma. Good day. Good day, sir. She has been nebulized? All right. She's stable. Just make sure you keep her away from anything that will trigger an attack. And try as much as possible to fill her bronchodilator to avoid such situation again, okay? She'll be okay. She's doing very well.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, sir. It's okay. You take care of yourself, all right?
Uncle Niyi, God will continue to bless you for us, Without you, what would I have done? You are always there for us. Thank you.
No, stop, please. But don't allow her to get it to this level again before you take her to the hospital. Let it get this bad before you do that, please.
It's because I don't want to disturb you. I feel like I'm, asking and demanding from too much from you. Today, Uncle Niyi help me this. Tomorrow, Uncle Niyi this again. Oh, good.
Am I complaining? I'm not.
But the thing is, dear, no, if you have someone who is helping you, don't put all the burden on the person's head. Since my husband died, it's only you. You've taken us like a family.
It's okay. I should be taking my leave now. Please take good care of her.
I will. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you for me. Thank you. Thank you. She's sleeping.
Don't forget that I'll be taking Victor to my sister's place this weekend.
You said that
she has
before.
Been asked now.
You said that before. I've heard.
Okay.
Don't turn it into a song.
Funky mommy, see you later.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Yes, mom. Bye.
Hey, put on your seatbelt. Take your leg in.
Yeah. Boy, whatever it is that you are coming to do here, just do it quickly, so that you've got to be in time for the pool party, the pool party.
Don't you think you're too old for this kiddie stuff?
Me? Too old? What are you talking about? I've been 25 years, for the past 25 years.
Crazy guy.
Uncle Lee.
How are you?
Welcome, sir.
Well done.
Yes, sir.
This is my friend Joe.
Welcome, sir.
How are you, young man?
Let's just go.
Welcome,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Please come inside.
Okay.
How's she doing now?
Oh, you can see she's fine, better.
Look, please. Marco Bawa, don't put us in trouble. Make sure you go around with your inhaler. Just go with your inhaler. It doesn't cost anything.
Abi.
Things can happen anytime. Please.
Thank you.
I want you to get your results. This is my friend Joe, Mama. He's the admissions officer at the State University. So I want to see how I talked to him. I want to see how I can help push her to get admission to university.
Thank you, sir. I'll be grateful.
Yeah. So go get it. The results so he can I didn't forget about you. I will definitely do something. And then, Mama, the transfer I said I should do for you for balance of the
House rent.
Let me do it now. Yes. Don't transfer.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. I don't know how I'm going to thank you. I can't even thank you enough because of all you are doing for us. Thank you.
Let me have it. Yes. Oh.
She
Press
did
it.
very
Give
well.
Okay, ma. Let's go now. I'll call you later, ma.
Okay.
And then take care of yourself.
Wow. I saw the way you were looking at that girl, man.
Which girl?
I beg you.
Was it that obvious?
The way you were hugging that girl. Very, very, very obvious. It was as if you just wanted to grab all those goodies.
Oh, stop. But now, wow, that girl's, I don't know what's coming over me. She's just in my head. I can help myself.
Seriously, you know what I would do for your shoes? I would entice her, women love goodies, encourage her, let her fall into your trap.
Huh?
You can never tell. A girl like that, she might just be craving the exact thing that you're craving, man.
Like, seriously?
Just the other day, this girl came into my office seeking admission. She was what, maybe 17? Man, you need to see this girl. If you see the particulars, I like your waist in particular. Hi. Man, I walked on her. The moment I touched her, bam! She was attacking my belt, unstrapping my jeans, I'm telling you.
You're joking.
You have got to find a way. Anyhow you do, just find a way. Just find a way. Women love goodies. Find a way.
My wife is traveling with my kids next tomorrow, and my wife's sister invited them over.
That's it. That's the opportunity. Do something, man. Invite her. Take her out. Bring her to your house. Do something, man.
Certainly not in my house.
Whatever, Sha, but make sure you don't miss it.
Okay, I'll think of something, but I'll think of a plan. But look, can we discuss other things for now?
That would you like Uber. Oh.
All right, you guys have fun.
Daddy, are you not coming with us?
No. I'm not coming with you. Just go have fun. Maybe next time. All right?
Yes.
All right. And be a good boy. Take care of mommy.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. Yep.
Nothing from
No.
Take care of yourself.
You too. Have fun.
Okay.
Hello?
How are you? Is your mom at home?
No, she has gone to the shop.
Okay. Can you quickly come over to my house? I need you to help me do some little work.
Sir, now?
Yes. Now. In fact, I'm already waiting for you.
Okay, sir. I'm coming.
Don't be long.
I won't.
Oh.
It's past 11.
Where's mommy?
She has gone. I'm going to Uncle Neyi's house.
To do what? Better go and sit down, look for something and do. Or to go and start poking your nose into people's house.
He's the one that asked me to come home. He needs me to help him do some housework.
When did he tell you that?
He just called me. Olu, Uncle Neyi has really been kind to us. If we don't return the favor, we would just be ingrates.
Oh yeah, can go. Make sure you don't stay long.
I won't. Okay, let me be on my way.
How are you coming? How are you? Please sit down. How's your mom?
She's fine, sir.
What do you want me to offer you?
Nothing. I'm okay. You just tell me the work. Let me do it quickly.
Work.
Yes. You asked me to come help you do some housework.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's just a little chore in the kitchen, if you don't mind. Just a small chore.
Why will I mind? If it's for you, I'll do anything, Uncle.
Anything. Oh, come on, me.
Uncle, There are no dirty dishes here.
Yes.
Do you want me to mop the floor?
Oh, yes.
This floor does not need mopping, but if that's what you want. Uncle?
Yes.
Is this the mop you use for the kitchen?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. Is this all you want me to do?
But we can go to the bedroom together and you and check it out too.
Oh, let me finish with the kitchen first.
Okay.
Where's the bucket? Okay. Uncle, I've finished.
Oh, well done.
Thank you, sir. Uncle, if that's all, I will need to start going now.
How about why the rush?
My mother will soon be back home, and I don't want her to start looking for me.
Oh, come on. I'm not a stranger to the house now. Calm down, tell her you're with me. All right? Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Feel at home. Sit down.
Okay, sir.
You want to watch TV? Just realized, these cable people are just crazy. My cable has been off for like 2 days. Can't even call them and know what's happening with them. Hello? Why are you guys like this now? You were supposed to have come and fixed my cable since 2 days ago. I haven't been able to watch TV for 2 days now. And I have guests. Please hurry up. What kind of service is this?
Uncle, are they coming to fix it?
Oh, yeah, sure, they'll come. But meanwhile, I'll fix you video. You can watch it, this DVD till I come. What's it? Yes, here. You can watch the DVD. I'll be right back. Dora, just give me 1 minute. Yesterday, she has come.
Oh, have you marked? Have you captured?
Marked? What are you talking about? I don't know what to do. I've not even opened the book yet.
Hey, this man. You are so slow. If I was the one by now, I would be in chapter 2.
Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Look, talk. She's about to leave.
No, you should let her leave now. Forget it. That's the end. You will not have this kind of opportunity again. Who knows when you will get a chance like this again?
Exactly my point. So what do I do?
Have you given her anything to drink yet?
No, I haven't.
Why not? Put something in her drink now. Let her drink. Maybe trams or cough syrup. Simple. Call me back when you have marked.
Okay. What would you like to drink?
Anything you have, sir.
You like smoothies? Okay, just give me a second. Let me go back.
Okay.
Please, do you have trams? And cough syrup? Please let me have. Okay, POS working. Sorry dear. Are you okay? The people doing smoothies, they didn't come today. But I got some fruits. I know how to make smoothies. So, let me make it for you, right? Okay.
When they collect the bride, I pay your tax to DPO, share you be correct guy. When market go press you, my guy, DPO set go dress. You claim to be the best, so much I never hear your song. All I know, you are a backup singer in Miyaka. I'm knocking a go-go, them are not as fake as you. You came to Mama Ogale, come them, show yourself. Sleeping one of the sales girls, hoping say she be free, mama. All you want is a freak, mama. All this while you they shop, you know they pay, come on. Now they don't they use your yash, they pay for papa. I can't wait, I can tie to all the wedding When we ball, we don't lose matches, we dey bench them. These other rappers be like matches, we dey quench them. They say we dey use charm, that is a black magic. I made Lagos stand still, that's a bad traffic. They wanna try to block my way, that's a mad traffic. I'm addicted to this money like a crack addict. Different women every night.
Hope you like it.
Thank you, sir.
Are you enjoying the movie?
Yes.
Oh, shot the guy. Oh.
Uncle Nee, it tastes very nice, though.
Really? So, I tried.
Yes.
Enjoy it.
Mommy, welcome.
Hey, thank you, dear. Take this to the kitchen for me. Whew. Oh! Ah! Where's your sister?
She said she was going to Uncle Ni's place.
When?
This morning.
And what did she say she was going there to do?
I think Uncle Ni wanted her to help her out with some chores like that, so...
Okay. It's all right then. Now get me a glass of water, please.
Dora! What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Dora! Hey, no, please don't do this to me, please. Please don't do this to me. Dora! 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 My wife. My son. Prison. And what? Dora! Dora, please wake up, wake up. Dora!
Just look at you. My sweet 16 never been kissed, never been touched.
Oh my God.
Small girl, small girl. Small girl.
Oh my God.
Hello? Hello?
Honey, I told you that you should not call me until you have marked. So are you calling to tell me now that you finally have captured?
Yes, but
But what?
there's a problem.
Problem? Premature. You came too fast, have you?
What? No. Would you stop playing games?
Don't be shy, John. It happens to the rest of us. It happens to every once in a while. It can happen.
It's more serious than that.
Well, what is it?
She's not moving.
How can she be moving? You drugged her now.
Oh, get serious, for crying out loud. Joe, she's not moving. It's been a while now, she's not moving.
What did you give her?
Tramps and cough syrup mixed with smoothies.
Tramps and cough syrup. I said use either tramps or cough mixture. Which kind of mixture have you given to her?
I didn't have the time. I wanted quick action.
So have you felt her heartbeat now?
Yes, I have.
So look, go and check it again.
Are you sure? Dora. Hello, Joe. She's not moving.
Ha! Ni! Ni! You have killed somebody.
Huh?
She's dead. You gave her a dangerous mixture.
How was I supposed to know that was dangerous mixture? How was I supposed to know? I just mixed it. That's all how was I supposed to know that?
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Just don't tell me to calm down. All I wanted to do was just have a little fun, nothing more.
But you had your fun.
Look, I didn't mean for all of this to happen. I didn't mean for all of this to happen. Look, we're in this together because you made me do this.
Come on, man. What has happened has happened. What we need to do now is to find a solution.
So, what do we do?
Look, the best thing for you to do now is to pack your load. Just pack your load and run. Run!
Mr. Joe, I have a dead girl in my room, in my house, and you want me to run? Wouldn't that make me look like a fugitive?
So like what do you have in mind now? Eh?
Maybe take her to the hospital and let the doctors attend to her.
Mr. Nee, you're a very funny man. Eh? You drugged the girl, slept with her unlawfully. She ends up dead and you think going to the hospital is what will save you.
So what do we do? Maybe the doctors can revive her.
Forget that thing. That girl is dead. I've seen boys die from ordinary traps, not to talk about this mixture that you gave her.
I can't run away. I can't take her to the hospital. So what do you want me to do now?
You know what? I think we must find a way to dispose of her body carefully and without a trace.
Dispose of her body? How? How do I dispose of her body? Talk now, Joe. How do I dispose of her body?
Promise me that if I say anything now, you won't explode.
Okay, just talk.
You have to dismember her.
What? Are you crazy?
Yes, that's how it is done now. You cut off her leg, cut off her head, cut off her arms, put all of them in a separate bag, and that way nobody will know that you are transporting a whole human being.
Joe, you're evil. How do you know all these things? Have you done it before?
What does it matter if I've done it before? Are you not on social media? Please just do it.
No, I can't.
You can't. Unless you want to live the rest of your life in jail or end up dying by hanging.
I'm finished.
See, you're not finished. You are finished if you refuse to take action. I'm not the only one at home.
Yeah, my wife traveled for the weekend.
Perfect now. So take your time. Cut off her leg, cut off her head, cut off her body, put them in separate bags. Make sure you do it in a secure location, maybe bathtub. Then wait for me.
Wait for you?
Yes, now I'll have to come and take you to where you will dispose the body now. And make sure it is done before I come.
Dora. All I wanted to do was have a little fun. Hello?
Hello, honey. You didn't even call to check on us.
No. I'm sorry.
Are you at home?
Yes.
Good.
Why?
Because I'm coming back home soon.
What? Why?
Nothing. I just feel like coming back home.
Can't you stay there for the weekend?
No. I'm not staying. I want to come home to my husband.
Where's Victor?
Victor, he will be here. He's in good hands. I'll come back to pick him up. It's okay. Bye. See you soon.
I want to come home and spend time with your husband. Bye. Now. No. She mustn't meet me here. No. Hello?
Have you done it?
Something came up. My wife all of a sudden just decided she wants to come back home.
I thought you said she'll be gone for the whole weekend.
That's what I thought. And she said she was going to come back home. You see women and their wahala.
So what's going to happen now?
I don't know. I'm going to put her in the car and take her. Look, no. She's just spoiled all my plans. Everything I plan, I can't do it. So I can't wait for her to come and meet me here.
So what do you want to do?
I'm going to take the body and put it inside the car and drive far away out of town.
I'm on my way. Wait for me.
No, wait for you. Are you okay? Wait for you so that she come and meet me here. What are you saying? I don't have that time.
Okay, just be careful. Drive into the bush, deep, and make sure no one sees you.
Okay. Thank you. I'll call you back.
I'll call you then.
Okay. Come in.
My name is Solade from the cable TV.
Oh, I'm quite busy right now. Can you come back maybe tomorrow?
And we don't work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, sir.
Okay, maybe you should come back on Monday then.
Okay, let me extend to Madam because she's been calling the office even before you called.
My wife has been calling the office?
Yes, she's been.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes. Sir, it's your adapter, sir. The adapter is that.
Can you change it? How soon do you have one with you?
We have to go to the office and get you a new one.
You can do that today?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hey, where do you think you're going? What do you think you're doing?
I wanted to use myself, sir.
What do you mean? It's I think just come into somebody's house and say you want to use toilet without permission. Please leave my house.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry.
Don't you look like a public toilet? What's happening? What's just happening? What's the problem? Oh. Timothy, Sister Sarah. I wasn't expecting you.
Haba, brother Niyi. You see, we were not at the vigil last night, and you were asking what we came here to do. I will not supposed to check up on you as brethren.
Thank you very much, but I'm a bit busy now. Can you come back later?
What are you busy doing? We can come in and help you.
No. There's no need.
Sorry, are you going to leave us out here? Are you not going to let us in? Brother Niyi. This is your to this house.
Yes, how can I help you?
So where is she?
Who?
Your wife now.
Oh,
is she not in the house?
No, she's not around. She'll be back soon.
Oh, so you're home alone?
Yes, I'm home alone.
So what did you cook? Do you have food?
No, there's no food in the house. Look, what did you come to do?
You see, bro, actually, we came here for a very serious matter.
Look, as you can see, please, can you hold me? Because I have things to do.
Okay. You see, since you became the grand patron of the youth in our church, I discovered some things and we've been hearing stories.
What stories?
That it's only our pastor and Mama only that always render help. While myself and Sister Sarah, the prime mistress, it was sideline us. Yes. It's not right. It's not fair. Right.
Is that what you guys came all the way to come and tell me? Look, if it's that, okay, I'll give you guys money, I'll assist you, but please, can you leave? I have very important things to do.
Brother Niyi, so you're sending us away like that?
I am busy.
Haba, Brother Niyi. This is not fair. If it is the pastor or Mama Olu that came here, will you send them away like that? This is not fair. You are our youth patron. Our youth patron.
Look, can you guys understand that I'm busy and I have things to do? If it's money, I will give you guys.
Okay, fine. We will leave. We will leave when your wife returns.
Returns? My wife's not coming back now.
But you said she'll be back soon now.
When I said soon, I mean like in 2-3 days' time.
Okay. Meanwhile, I am hungry. What do you have in the house?
I just told you there's no food in the house.
Brother Niyi, you can't tell me that. Nah, Brother Niyi. It's cool.
Look, there's nothing in the kitchen. Nothing. I told you there's nothing.
Brother Niyi. You're making smoothie. You said
Hey, stop. Hey, Sister Sarah, stop closing. There is no food in the house. Smoothies is just leave that. Come.
Brother Niyi.
Hey. We'll go get food outside. I'll take you to an eatery. Just come on. I'll take you to an eatery. Thank you. As a matter of fact, you guys, I'm very busy right now. Please take this. I'll still see you guys some more later. Just take this, please. I'm in a hurry, please. I'm doing something.
Are you chasing us like that?
Brother, I'm not chasing you. I'm not chasing you. No.
Brother Niyi.
I'll see you guys later.
This is unlike you. This is unlike Vali. Vali like that is not.
Are you sure she went to Uncle Ne's place?
Mommy, that's what she said, though. I don't know again.
The number you have dialed is not responding. Please try again later. The number you have dialed is not responding. Please try again later.
Dora, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. How do I take you out now? So she's dead. No, Dora, please, please. Forgive me. Get up. You can't be dead. Hello, Dora. Oh, God. How do I take her out now? Hello?
Is it done?
No, something came up.
What happened?
Some kind of distraction. But I'm taking her into the car now.
Make it snappy. I'm on my way.
Okay.
That disappointment. Another disappointment. Another disappointment. Another confusion. Another disappointment. Another confusion. Another confusion. Another disappointment. Another confusion. Another confusion. Another disappointment. Another confusion. Oga, obviously, everything I do fine. This one where my face I need to smile at all. Obviously, I do okay, sir.
I'm fine. Go back to your station.
Station, Oga. Where? Oga, you can build my own police station for this compound.
Your own police station? Or you inside this compound?
Police station, because if you build my police station for this compound, anybody will apply your trouble, apply anybody trouble, including you, guys. If you find trouble, I will arrest all of us. I will lock us inside cell. Allah, because because
my friend, will you go back to your room?
Okay. Sorry, Oga. Hey, Oga, damn beso. Idiot. It's back. So long. Why are you panting like a puma? Huh?
Me?
Yes, you. And you are breathing so heavily. Why?
I'm fine.
Are you not letting me in?
Oh, sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You are?
Yes.
Okay. My sends her regards. She's fine. She's fine. She asked when you are going to see her.
Very, very soon.
You know, it has been a while we are together this way, just you and me.
Really, is that why you set our son away so that you beat me?
Oh, why else? See, I missed you so much.
Miss you too. Miss you too.
So, let me just go and shower and freshen up, you know.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Honey.
Yes.
I hope you ate your lunch. Honey, come and see this. Honey.
Why did I do this to myself? I forgot.
Yes. Honey, please come and see this. Honey, what is this? What are they doing here? Honey, are you not talking?
Yes, I'm talking.
What are they doing here? How come they are here?
Okay. I don't even know where to start from, but
start from the back.
Okay. You know, you're my wife, and you're the only one who will not judge me.
Yes.
Well, I don't know what came over me. I just had to do it.
Do what, Nii? What did you do?
I saw it, so I killed it.
You killed what? You saw what? You killed what? Nii, talk now.
Those are rats.
Rats!
Wait, calm down. I'm taking it out. Don't worry. I'll take this out and sort it out. I'm sorry.
Not in this house. How come?
I don't know, but well, just calm down. Hello?
How far, man? I'm outside your door.
Okay, I'm coming, Joe. I'm coming to meet you now.
Mr. Joe is here?
Yes. You know what, honey? Just everything will be fine. Just go freshen up while I attend to Mr. Joe. I'll be right back.
Oh,
right.
Okay.
Love you. Come in.
Where is she?
My wife just came back. She's in the bathroom.
Okay. Where is she? Where's the package?
Excuse me, come on, give the dead some respect. What do you mean my package? She's inside there. You get her from the kitchen. Let me get the other things and we go. Hurry up. Yes.
Honey, what is that?
It's nothing.
Oh, okay. Be careful.
Chibi, you said she went to Uncle Ni's place.
That's what she told me now.
Then why don't you go there and check her?
Mommy, call her now. Call her.
But I've done that. You know how many times I've called her? She's not picking her calls.
Try Uncle Ni.
He's not picking his calls either. See, I don't just understand. I don't. But could it be that they both gone to the church?
I don't know.
Wait, so. Anyway, you know what you do for me? First, you go to Uncle Ni's place, check. If she's not there, then you go to the church and check for both of them. Eh? I think you still have some change with you. Just take Okada, chatter, go come. So it will be fast.
Okay.
Please, quickly, quick.
I'll be right back.
All right. Please. Eh? Ele ma sùn mi àbí irú òun wo lélẹ̀.
What's happening? I don't know, it's not starting. It's not starting. It's not. Let me try.
What is it?
I think it's the battery.
Oh, okay, do something. Jump it now.
Let me look for something. What are you doing here?
My mom asked me to come check on Dora.
Dora? She's not here.
But she said she was coming to your place.
No. She's not here.
But she...
No, she's not here. I'm going somewhere. I'm very busy. I need to get to somewhere. I have a meeting.
Oh, where can she be now, eh?
Have you checked the church?
The church?
Yeah, maybe.
Why would she lie about coming here in the first place now?
I wouldn't know. I have a meeting, like I said. Look.
Oh, God. What kind of work?
Take this for transport. Go to the church and check. She probably might just be there.
Okay.
I have to dash down somewhere.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Regards to Mama.
What was that?
Stop it.
Where is he?
Oh, I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? I sent you out to look for someone. You are coming in to tell me you don't know.
I went to Uncle Ni's place. She's not there. Eh? I went to the church. Nobody has seen her. Uncle Ni says he has not even seen her today at all. Eh? I've checked with almost all her friends, Mama. Nobody has seen Dora. Eh? What kind of thing is this one now?
Hey, Dora. Hey, my daughter, what kind of thing is this? Oh, what kind of thing is this? She has never done this kind of thing. This waka.
Yemi, I told her. I told her to stay one place, so she's not here. Eh?
What do I do now? No, Bami. Abiru kiwa lele iwo no shanu me. What do I do? What do I do now? Eh? Who do I? And it's very late. Hey, mo jẹ gbèsè. I'm in trouble.
Where are we going?
We'll soon get there now.
You've been saying that for the past 2 hours.
Don't you know that we have to go very far away, as far away from town as possible?
Look, are we going to Sambisa Forest? Stop. Vigilante, stop.
Park. Calm down. Where you dey come from by this time of the night?
I did look for my friend house here. Bless I miss road.
For this area?
Yes.
For everywhere wey dey here, na only river, na in dey. As you dey drive dey go, if you go shon, na river you go jam. So, where you dey go?
I'm not gonna go back to that. Bless you don't miss our road.
No be say you miss road. Tell me now because for this area, na only fishermen, na in dey live here. But some unscrupulous elements, they come steal fish. And as I dey look your face, you be like fish stealer.
Fish? What do I want to fish do?
Okay, you know they steal fish.
What do I want to do? What do I want to do with fish?
You be bunkering.
Bunkering?
Come open boot, you carry bunkering.
Hey, calm down. Bunkering, I know they do bunkering.
You know they do bunkering? Hey, come open boot.
I go open boot.
You! Come open this boot. Waiting, come open boot.
Come.
Open this.
Come.
Wetin happen?
Take. I'm gonna take drink coke.
You do well. You be good citizen of Nigeria. But before you go, open this boot. Hey, no, allow that one go. Pack am. Oga, you be go. You no resemble bunkering. Thank you. Oya, go. Stop am. Park there. Come here. Yeah. Hey, bye. Park here. Hey, park am here. Come here.
Why?
Why what?
Why haven't you been picking Mama Olu's calls?
So she has a number?
Yes, of course. She just called me. Her daughter Dora is missing. Why are you still sitting? Are we not supposed to go there right away?
Yes. Please.
Okay, hurry. Get the keys.
Mama, don't worry yourself. I'm sure she will come back home. Huh?
When? Eh? Since yesterday she left the house, she told the brother that she was coming over to your place.
And she never made it there.
Yes, now. She didn't. Eh, what kind of thing is this one now? Where can she be?
This is so serious. Has she any close friend around?
Yes, she has. She has friends. The brother has been to all their houses, but she's nowhere to be found.
No. I don't mean those friends. I mean a special friend.
Special friend, Bitibao. Like how?
Like, Mommy, see, your daughter is 22 years old. Yes, it's possible that she has a friend, a male friend that she's seeing.
Boyfriend. Dora.
Something like a boyfriend or a lover.
Boyfriend, Bitibao, boyfriend. Ah, Dora. Mba? Ah, oh no, Mommy, she trusts me. She dares not. Otherwise, I will kill her. Boyfriend, Dora. Ah. It's not possible.
Okay, let us hope that wherever she went to, she will come to her senses and come back home today.
Mama, she will come back. Just calm down.
But Mother, when she comes back, please don't beat her up. Please. Don't just do anything that will make her leave the house, run away from the house again. Please.
It depends on where she went to. She will meet me here. She will come and meet me here. Hey.
Please take it easy.
Since yesterday, I have not slept.
Mama, take it easy, ma. Please.
Please, just take it easy, please, ma.
And you know, usually she does not do this kind of waka, so I don't just understand. That's the reason why I called you, so that we can go to the police station and report the case.
Okay.
And even Olusef, I've asked him to go and ask her friends and all.
And he didn't see her?
He didn't see her.
Where is he?
He has gone to other places to look for her.
You have a picture?
Yes, he's here with me.
Okay, let's go.
I don't understand this kind of thing at all. I don't know what's going on.
Calm down. We will find her. Calm down.
Can I find my daughter?
Calm down, Mama. We will find her.
And she's not this kind of girl. Officer, this is my daughter's picture.
When last was she seen?
At home now. The brother saw her going out, and she told the brother that she was going to Uncle Niyi's place.
And who is this Uncle Niyi?
This is Uncle Niyi now, but she did not get there.
Then why did she tell her brother she was going there?
We don't know. That's why we decided to come here, that you help us.
Okay. If there is information, we would get back to you.
How can you tell me if we have, we will get back to her? I should go. Yes. What's the reason of us coming here? So that the police will help us. Is that not the reason why people are here?
Let's go.
That I want my daughter.
Mama, let's go when they have information.
Oga, this na the man.
Which man?
This na the man. The man wey drop blind girl by our riverside.
Which girl?
The one wey I come report you yesterday now.
This girl?
Yes.
But how do you know he is the man? Because he has just brought a report that this girl is missing.
I recognize this man very well.
See, look, I don't understand what this is all about. What is all this? Eh?
Oga, that's why I come here today. See me, I come tell you, say the girl don't wake up for hospital.
The girl you dumped at the river is not dead. I bet you didn't know that.
Officer, I don't know what he's talking about.
Of course, you won't. Wait until I bring the young girl here to identify you herself.
Go. Okudi. So, hey, Ashidi Etu. So, you are the one. You that I believe in. You will just look for my daughter and get me my daughter. Let me tell you, you will give me my...
Wait. Mama, listen. Calm down. We didn't even have to come to the police station in the first instance. It was a mistake coming here. Look, just calm down. Everything will be fine. I will give you plenty money.
Come on, get out and leave me alone. What kind of useless money do you think you want to give me? You better look for my daughter. You that I trusted with everything in my life. You are the one that has kidnapped my daughter. You are the one. See, you will see trouble today.
Mama, I know where your daughter is. She's the hospital. I'll carry you go there. You go see her yourself.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
No, Miss Annie. Where do you think you're going? You're under arrest.
Arrest him. Don't let him live here.
You have to be detained here for further investigation into the case. OC! Come here. Come on, take this man inside. OC! Okay, so you take him inside. Take his details.
Doctor.
Madam, see your letter.
Dora. Hey, my dear. Hey, my daughter. Hey, thank God. Oh, doctor, I thank you, Oga. I thank you for saving my daughter. How are you? Eh? What happened? What did he do to you? How did this happen? What did he give to you?
We found ample traces of opioid in her system. That must have caused her lowered heart rate and respiratory depression, which made her pulse almost undetectable except for the use of a stethoscope.
Leokomi, Pele. Hey, sorry, eh? You'll be fine. I hope she'll be alright.
She will be fine.
She'll be fine. She's stable now.
She's stable. He brought her on time.
Madam, I'm going now.
No
problem.
God bless you.
No wahala, ma. Any good person will do the same thing where I do.
Hey, you do well,
no problem.
Thank you, my brother.
Bye-bye, ma.
Yes, doctor, I thank you.
Excuse me. You must be Mr. Joe.
Yes?
You're under arrest in connection with a sexual assault case.
What?
What are you talking about?
My husband?
Sweetheart, they have the
Sexual
wrong guy.
assault?
You have to come with us to the station. Until then,
you can't be serious.
Anything you say
will
be used against you in the court of law. Excuse me. Let's move.
Okay.
No!
Can I park my car?
Move!
No!
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me.
What's the meaning of
No!
this? Where has this country come from? Okay, let me call my phone now.
Stay away from this.
What has this country come to? What has this country come to? What has this country come to? What's the meaning of all of this?
Wait!
This is police brutality.
Wait! Oh my God!
Zip it. I just came to look at your wicked face, so zip it.
Zara.
Don't ever mention my name again. Don't!
Please, I want you to help me, please.
Help you? What were you thinking of? What? So I was not good enough for uni?
I'm sorry, Zara. Please help me. I don't want to go to jail. Please.
The girl's family are pressing charges. Several civil society organizations are already on your case. The police have started gathering forensic evidence in our house. They want to see to it that you face the maximum sentence. Ni, when you make decision, get ready to face the consequences.
What about my lawyer? What's he saying?
There is undeniable proof against you.
I don't want to go to jail.
I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
So, Miss Dora, can you please tell the court what happened on that fateful day?
On that day, I was at home with my brother when Uncle Nii called me. Hello?
How are you? Is your mom at home?
No, she has gone to the shop.
Okay. Can you quickly come over to my house? I need you to help me do some little work. Hi. How are you coming? How are you?
This floor does not need mopping, but if that's what she wants.
Go on, go on.
I felt him carry me up, but I was too weak to move. My eyes were shut and I couldn't open them. And then I felt him on top of me. I still couldn't move my body. And that was when I blacked out. The next time I woke up, I was in the hospital.
That will be all, my lord.
Thank you. Defense counsel, you can proceed with your cross-examination of the witness.
Thank you, my lord. Miss Dora, prior to this time, have you ever visited Mr. Nii at home alone?
No.
Is it also true that you once told him that you really like him?
I liked him. He was very kind to my family and myself.
Is it also true that you once told him that you are willing to do anything for him?
Yes, I said it.
I put it to you, Miss Dora, that you willingly gave your body to Mr. Nii on that fateful day because you wanted him the way he wanted you.
Objection, my lord.
Objection sustained. Counsel, please rephrase or proceed to the next question.
No further questions, my lord.
Barrister, what do we do now? I don't want to go to jail.
Did anyone catch you in the act?
No.
No. So you have to deny forceful penetration. Yes, you have to tell the court that she willingly gave herself, gave her consent.
What about my statement to the police?
Yes, you have to deny that too. You have to tell the court that you did that under duress. That is all.
Will they believe me?
Hopefully they will believe you. But let me tell you the story that you are going to tell the court. Yes, when you tell.
So on that day, she came to my house. I asked her to come and help me do some chores, and she started behaving funny. She started trying to unzip my trouser and unbelt me.
Hold on. Before you proceed, is it true that you made smoothie for her, which happened to have been laced with drugs?
Me? Smoothies? I don't know how to make smoothies. She made it herself.
According to medical reports, a substantial amount of opioid was found in her bloodstream. So, I put it to you, Mr. Niyi, that she slumped due to the overdose drug that you put in her drink.
Objection, my lord. Objection overruled. The accused may please respond.
She was already high when she got to my place. And she was behaving funny, like I said. She said she really liked me and that she wanted to be my small wife.
Order!
She made the first move.
Oh, really? And is it true that you and your friend put her in the trunk of your car, drove out to drop her beside the river?
No. She left on her own. She said she wanted to get home before her mother. She came on so strong to me and she said she really liked me and she wanted me to make her my small wife, and then if I didn't accept it, she was going to claim that I raped her. I guess that's what she's doing now.
Lawyer, I beg, lawyer, please, see, I don't understand what is going on again. No. He's lying on my daughter. Everybody is beginning to believe him, and you know it's not the truth. We can't just be looking like that and fold our hands and let him just do whatever he likes. So
I won't let that happen. I'm ready to fight this to any stage, even to the Court of Appeal. So just relax.
I can't relax. I'm just saying I should relax. I can't relax. They say we need concrete evidence, not words of mouth. I want justice, I want justice. What do we do now?
As we speak, an NGO is currently working with the police to analyze forensic evidence from the scene of the crime. They've taken samples to the Institute of Medical Research, so there's no need to worry. Just relax. Relax. Everything will be okay.
We have listened to the various witnesses in this case. We have also cross-examined the two accused persons. We have also looked at the forensic evidence provided to us by the police. And this court has come to a verdict. But before I pronounce my judgment, I'd like to say that every form of abuse against women, whether it is sexual or otherwise, is a very, very grave offense. Our judicial system frowns at it, and people who are guilty of such criminal activity are summarily dealt with. I'd like to say that all of us, and I mean the men and the boys, it is our responsibility to protect our women from all forms of sexual abuse, especially the young girls. And I do hope that the outcome of this case is going to serve as a warning or a deterrent to people who are involved in such criminal activities. According to the Criminal Code and the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act, this court finds Mr. Niyi guilty of a 4-count charge of rape, defilement, intoxication, and attempting to conceal a crime. He is hereby sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. The second defendant, Mr. Joe Oko, is hereby found guilty of aiding and abetting a crime. And as an accessory to this crime, he will serve the same sentence as the principal offender. He is hereby sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. Arise.
It's not me. It's the devil.